It's a song about a girl's dream of finding a boyfriend, and she can't find the right man. And it is sung on the day of the Holi.
So this song is Mala's introduction, in a way, in this era, in the 70s, at this point in time of the story. So Vipul came up with the idea of a song in this Holi situation, in the festival of Holi.
ओ मिला ना कोई ऐसा मेरे सपनों के जैसा, मिला ना कोई ऐसा मेरे सपनों के जैसा, छान के मोहल्ला सारा देख लिया, जवानी चढ़ती जाए आहा, करे क्या कौन पाए, जवानी चढ़ती जाए करे क्या कौन उपाय, छान के मोहल्ला सारा देख लिया, जली तो बुझी ना, कसम से कोयला हो गई रे तनत्ता। गाना ही इतना सुनते ही यूं करके पकड़ में आता है, और उसका जो रिदम ग्रूव है वो बहुत ही प्रीतम ने बहुत ही डिफरेंट तरीके से दिया हुआ। और जब विपुल जी ने मुझे गाना सुनाया तो मैं विपुल जी को देख रहा था। The challenge was that the way the film situation demanded that it could not have been a pure Holi song, but because it was the situation in the film was on the day of the Holi, it had to have a color of Holi as well. And I have experienced in past that when you make festival specific song, like I made a song called Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi in Waqt, it plays on every Holi but next day it's out. So we wanted to make a song which was for all seasons, not just for the day of the Holi.
I think खूबसूरती इस गाने में बात ये है कि जबकि 70s की है, होली सिचुएशन है और मस्ती है, लेकिन बार बार यही याद दिलाता है कि this is from the 70s, this girl is in the 70s. She's not totally wild as in probably today's interpretation of tomboyish, or today's interpretation of boisterous, wild, or a girl who is bold and brash and who hangs with the boys. There is a difference in that today and in probably in the earlier times. So they've kept that in mind and kept that in the sound, in the rhythm of the song and in the choreography.
मैं 71 बॉर्न हूँ, तो 70s में क्या होता था मुझे नहीं पता। तो विपुल जी ने पूरा ब्रीफ दिया मुझे बेसिकली कि उस वक्त कलर्स ज़्यादा नहीं होते थे, गुलाल ही होता था, या मतलब होली का एक अलग तरीके से उसको होली मनाई जाती थी अलग तरीके से। तो लेकिन इतना डेफिनेटली मैं कहूँगा कि बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त डांस नंबर है।
बहुत ही कूल मूव्स हैं, बहुत ही क्यूट मूव्स हैं, और सब डांसर्स भी, दे ऑल लुकिंग डिफरेंट एंड द सेटअप इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग डिफरेंट. वंस यू सी द मॉनिटर, इवन सेजल, our cameraman, he's done such a fabulous job. So it's just a combination of everything that makes a complete song. But I think the key in making any song visual look really fantastic is the choreographer. तो उन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया. And the best part is that everything he does is absolutely rocking. So is this song. It's fabulous. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, the visuals, they are looking absolutely amazing. I'm glad I'm a part of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,
2. Ganesh Acharya as a choreographer will not necessarily do only one shot. He shoots large chunks, लंबे shots लेते हैं, और उसमें जो continuity, जो flow मिलती है of your spirit, of your character, of your energy, of the lyrics or the song or the moves. A dancer is able to retain that. And another thing is, in this song, off beat बहुत है, तो वो off rhythm में पकड़ते हैं, and so you start the move first, then the lyrics follow. So, and the lyrics have a very poetry kind of play with words. So if you miss a word, you might miss the whole thing. But it was interesting doing that. So while it's a very simple sounding song, you got to be attentive because Master G is fast. I like being fast as well. So, and Sejal as the DOP is really, really fast. Vipul as a director is fast. So we finished the song in a very short duration of time. And with everybody going at a quick pace, it's been interesting performing to this number altogether.
The first 10 days of Action Replay, it was only Akshay sir and me. We were doing comedy. So I was tense, no doubt about it. But Akshay sir was great, Vipul sir was great. They made me calm down. I'm still tense today because I'm doing a song and I have to dance with Aishwarya Rai. So things are not getting any easier. It's just that I'm learning to deal with it a little better.
This has been the toughest song for us to crack because sometimes the lyric would not work, sometimes the tune would not work, and we worked for it for almost 6 months. In fact, it was scheduled twice for shooting, and because the song was not ready, we had to cancel both the schedules. And we later on shot it after the entire film was almost complete because we kept working on it till we got it right.
तो होली का बहुत मज़ा आया गाना करने में. इट टुक अ लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारे मेलोडी दिए थे विपुल को बट वर्क नहीं हुआ. अल्टीमेटली अभी जब मैं गाना देखता हूँ विथ एशेस ट्रिमेंडस परफॉर्मेंस, इट लुक्स रियली गुड. बेसिकली सेट का जो लुक था उस ज़माने में किस तरह से बिल्डिंग किस तरह से कलर होती थी, फ्लोर किस तरह से कलर होता था, फिर डांसर्स को वीक करेक्ट होने चाहिए उनके, वो पूरा एक एक चीज़ पे बहुत ही नोट किया गया था. मतलब बारीकी से काम किया गया था 70s का.
हम लोग एक्चुअली काफ़ी सारे पानी के साथ यहाँ पे शूट करने वाले थे, लेकिन विपुल सर एक बहुत ही मेरे हिसाब से सिंसियर, इंटेलिजेंट और रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन है. तो उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया कि यार ये पानी वेस्ट करके कुछ, हर फिल्म में बहुत पानी वेस्ट होता है जब कोई होली का गाना है, कुछ होता है. उन्होंने कहा हम पानी वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, हम सूखी होली करेंगे.
Also, that was the time when Bombay was going through water crisis. So we didn't want to make a wet Holi because when we had put the estimate, we realized that we will be using 80 tankers of water to get the song right if we want to use wet Holi. And we decided to sacrifice that element in the song because we just thought it was criminal of us to waste 80 tankers of water when the city was really in crisis. But then we decided to make it extremely colorful, and I think it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Maybe because we thought of the people, God helped us and made the song look so beautiful. So I think it's visually a stunning song, and this is one of the best dances that Ash has done. One of the best dance sequence from Ash. I think fans of Ash are going to just love it.